happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel where we explore the journeys of dreamers who turn their visions into reality. So today, we delve into a fundamental truth. When you have a dream, don't let anyone, including yourself, discourage you from pursuing it. Remember, it's your dream, and you're the only one who can truly feel its power in your soul. Let's start by understanding the power of dreams. Every great achievements in history began as a dream in someone's mind. Think of the Wright brothers dreaming of flight, Marie Curie envisioning a world enlightened by her scientific discoveries, or Elon Musk imagining a future on Mars. These visionaries had something in common. They dared to dream and pursued those dreams relentlessly. However, the path to realizing a dream is often littered with obstacles, the most challenging of which can be the dream stealers. These are the voices, external or internal, telling you that won't work, or it's just one of those things. Sadly, the most potent dream stealer can often be the person you look at in a mirror. Self-doubt and fear of failure are formidable enemies in the pursuit of your dreams. So, my friends, what separates the dreamers who achieve from those who don't? The answer lies in their actions. Successful people do what others are not willing to do. They tread paths untraveled, embracing risks and challenges others avoid. They understand that true success comes from stepping out of your comfort zones and confronting the very fears that others succumb to. See, breaking the mold requires courage and resilience. It's about trusting your vision even when others can't see it. It's about working tirelessly, learning from failures, and never losing sight of your goal. It's about understanding that the greatest achievements often comes from the greatest challenges. In conclusion, remember this: your dreams are a reflection of your potential. Don't let dream stealers, especially the one that you look at in the mirror, deter you. Embrace your unique journey, push against the grain, and step into the realm of possibility. After all, the world's most remarkable achievements were once nothing more than a dream. Before you go, I want to extend a special invitation to you, my friend. So, if you're ready to explore the possibilities of your dreams and turn them into your reality, visit freedomlifebusiness.com. Our website is a vast pool of resources, guidance, and inspiration to fuel your journey. And if you crave daily doses of motivation and want to stay connected with a community of like-minded dreamers, make sure to opt into my email list. See, together, let's make your dream a living, breathing part of your life. Remember, the first step to achieving your dreams starts with a single click. So, don't hesitate and let's embark on this journey together. Thank you so much for watching. If you're inspired to chase your dreams, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more motivational content. Keep dreaming, keep striving, and remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.